Good morning, my crafty friends. This is Laurie, Girl on the Ridge. I have a little what's on my table today. Also, I have my grandson. Say hi.
Hi.
Or take him to school in a little while. What I have to share is I bought this Spellbinders. It was on clearance. It was a paper bag envelope. And it was kind of a frustrating day. It had these three pieces. So I printed them out, and when I printed them out, I had, let's see, that piece, and that piece. And there was no way I was going to make a bag out of this. So it took me an hour to find a video. Finally, it wasn't even a video, it was just a picture walkthrough of how to put this Spellbinders S6118 together. I was just a little paper challenged yesterday. Couldn't do it. So you needed to have two of these. So I'm just going to show you quickly, and then I'm going to show you some decorated bags that I did. So in order to do this, you needed to, let's see, take one of them, and there's a little mark on the bottom that you can just score, and then that bends up, and then you take two of these, which was the problem because I was only doing one. Here's a little line. Little line. We're scoring it. And we go back over here, get my glue. Yep, my skinny glue. This I use is, I'll show you in a second. These little containers I got at eBay, and this is the glue I put in it, my art glitter. I use this in Fabri-Tac. I like them both for different projects. I do, Joey. And Joey approved of my granddaughter's Juliana's book, right, Joey? You like Juliana's book? She hasn't seen it yet. She's been sick and in the hospital. Well, when she gets better, she'll.
She is. Oh.
Yep. We'll show it to her. And then just a little glue there. And a little glue there. And then that's the bag, and they give you a card. That's how you put that together. So they give you 3 dies, but this one needs to be used twice. And I could not find that in the directions anywhere. So, yesterday I made some bags up. Here, Joey, go put that over there on the table, please.
What table?
Right there. I made all these bags, and then I inked some up. This was, they call the brocade blue. It was an old Stampin' Up book. And then these are the ones that I decorated. I used, I just printed some stuff up from Pinterest. That one was a perfume one. Then I did the blue ones for Christmas. In a ball, the party one. These are tags. And I did another pink one. They'll go cute with maybe on top of a bag.
Yeah.
And then I did this. This has a little wax on them. And this one. And that one. So these are my decorated bags that I did. And the other night, and we're going to do a couple with you. Oh, this is some more. This has got wax on it, and that's got wax on it. So, Joey, can you give me that thing right there? Yep. And yes, please. And the tags I've been working on. These are tags that Gina from Firefly Studio did. She crumpled up paper, so I did a bunch of these. I use Tsunami Rose, and these are really fun. The only difference is I put them on guest checks because I have a lot of them from Taylor Dream, and I'll list her below too. Some of the faces came out a little dark, but we can still use them. We can use them for tucks, or I would fold them over and put them in a bag or in a book, and then they'll just flip up over like that. And rose. And so these are some of the tags, and this is a Christmas and Christmas. They really look very rusticy and primitive. This is the container that I got. I had my bills in it, but I chucked the bills, and it's 3 dividers, so I keep all my done ephemera in there. And these are just a couple, let's see, a couple books that I've done for Patricia Viramontes showed. And these are just some. I actually did a whole bunch of these watching John Wayne movies with Grandpa. And just folded them, got them ready, and then I took them upstairs later or even the next day and sewed them. Some I sewed, some I didn't. But you can really get these, you know, do them together. Here, you can put that back on. Now let's just decorate. I'll show you just a couple. Oh, here's some more of the tags I put on Instagram. These are tags for a swap in Sophie's Notes. These are all sunflowers. These are really fun and pretty. Okay, you can put them over there. Yeah. So we're going to do a blue one. Yep. We're going to pick out a picture.
That tag.
Yeah.
I don't have no idea what it is.
This is, let's see, let's take, how about 2 little kids ice skating? No, let's take one. There's a little blue in the dowel, so we'll do a Christmas one. So we do take that, and then we'll take a little cheesecloth.
Is that a cheesecloth?
Yeah, it's cheesecloth. You usually layer it. I'll get the Fabri-Tac. It's sticking. And put this down as soon as the glue gets down here. And I usually layer, usually a piece of either muslin, cheesecloth is my bottom layer. And I'll make these for tags or for pockets. Put that there. Then we'll take a little ground espresso.
A little brown.
Brown. And we'll put that here. And then we'll take a little, this is that's a small script stamp that I gotten from Kelly Snow, and I'll list her shop below because I can't remember her name, her Etsy shop. I'll do a little stamping. And let's see, we need a little, just use a little piece of,
What is that?
it's just like a little applique. It reminds me of a snowflake too. And look at this.
My love is no.
And we'll get something. And I always like to add something a little rusticy if it's, I don't like it always to be so, I don't know, I like to mix them both up. So we'll just do, and this is just scraps I'm having on my table right now. Piece of this. trim that off. Pick out a button, buddy. Look at that. Ball pins, also from a Tattered Dream. And we'll get a button. And we picked out a little brown button. Matches perfectly, Joey. Good eye. And we'll put this on. And there's a decorated little bag with just some odds and ends on my desk. A base, a picture, and a little trim. So that is it for now, because I was having trouble uploading my other video. So I will, if you're interested, I was going to do a video on punches and different kinds of inks. If you're interested, leave a comment below, and we'll see you soon. Bye.